Parts of the day, prepositions of time, at, on, and in. Let's do a major review here. So, 6 a.m. in the morning, what are we going to say?
At sunrise at dawn.
Dawn. Good. So this part of the day is going
At noon.
at noon. This part of the day is going to be
At sunset at dusk.
at sunset, at dusk. Good. And this part of the day is going to be
At midnight.
at midnight. Perfect. We use, we also say what? At
At night.
night. Good. In. Preposition in, right? We say, we use in for? In the morning. Good. In the afternoon. In the afternoon. The afternoon. In the
In
evening.
the evening.
Here as
In the morning.
in the morning. And this part of the day?
In the early morning.
In the early morning. Good. And those are the parts of the day using the correct prepositions. Right?